Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to see how to remove objects from an image in Figma. So this is the image from which I will remove some objects. So let's see. I will show you removing objects from the picture by two ways. So let's duplicate this image. I'm going to work on this image first. So for this, first of all, I'm going to remove the background of this image. I'm going to remove the background with the help of Figma AI feature. Okay, yes. First of all, I want to remove this object. For that, I will select pen tool by pressing P or simply in the bottom from here. I will trace a vector around this object. This is mandatory for this process. If you want to remove any object from any picture, you have to trace a vector around that object. The next step will be add a fill and remove stroke from here. Now select this vector and the image. Go to right hand side and from here you can subtract the selection. Oh yes, you can see the object has gone from here. So this was the first process. Now we will see the another process. Again, I want to remove this object first. So go to plugin section and search for remove object. And this is the plugin. There is a pointer. We have to trace around the image we want to remove from the picture. This plugin gives 20 free trials. So this is not completely paid. It gives 20 trials. After that, you have to pay for it. So after tracing, I will click here and it will remove the selected object. If you are using this plugin first time, it will ask you to log in via your email. Let me show you this again. Go to plugin and this time I want to remove this frame. So I will trace around it. Click on remove object. It will take a few seconds. You can use this plugin for removing background, upscale and removing object. And object has gone. I hope you got this process and liked it. If you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.